I got two Dewalt drill and the impact driver set. This set is bigger, it's DCK299M2, and this set is a little bit smaller, DCK283D2. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what's the difference of these two sets, and then I'm going to share my experience of which one you should choose. So first difference is the battery size. So for this one, you see the battery of 4Ah. It's bigger, it's heavier. Also, it got more power. And for this set, it's 2Ah, half of the capacity. And another difference is the drill. So for this drill, it's DCK299M2. It's just a regular drill. It doesn't have it's not a hammer drill. You can't drill the concrete, the bricks. You can't drill a hole on it. But for this drill, it's heavier, and you can see the hammer logo right here. It's DCK996. It's a really heavy duty hammer drill, and it comes with the bigger battery. And for the impact driver, for the driver itself, it's the same. So the driver the same, but just the battery difference. And this set is more expensive, and this set is cheaper. The question is, which set should you get? So let's say from the most majority difference is the hammer drill function. So what it can do, it can drill a small holes in the concrete, stone, or bricks. I mean that small holes. It's about a quarter inch diameter or 3/8. So if you want to drill half-inch holes on the concrete, like let's say you want to make a tent on the driveway, so you want to drill like half-inch size the hole, it's not the right tool. So even though it says hammer drill, but it can only do a light duty kind of hammer drill thing. It means that smaller hole, it should be alright. So if you want to do a bigger holes, or a lot of holes, you're gonna have a real hammer drill, like a long one, not this. Another thing you need to consider is the battery size. So this battery is bigger, the bigger it can last longer, but heavier. For this battery, it's small, it can supply the same volts, but just half of the time, and it's lighter. So it all depends on what's your working style. So if you're a real like carpenter, you do renovation or framing, whatever, you do a whole day job, so or just working at height, or you're not easily to access to power, I think this tool is what you need. So you go for one charge, it probably can't last most of the day. Let's say if you're a homeowner, DIYer, you're working at home, or you're not like working continuously a whole day without power, this battery is for you. I'll be using a very heavy drill to working on the cabinets, to install the cabinets doors for I think a month. And my risk is kind of injury and always pain. So, and the muscle right here. So to my opinion, that the most of the homeowners, most of the DIYers, even some of the pros, you'd better consider your risk, whatever, your fingers, your wrist. The less weight is better, especially if you're doing the job all day. For example, if you are doing fence, you're doing decks, it just have a little battery and a small impact. That's all you need. You don't really need a bigger bulky battery like this. You don't need to do that because it's too heavy. They are all brushless motors. It means that it saves power. So even though it got small batteries, it's still considered can last a long time. You don't really need to worry about like work 1 or 2 hours and charge the battery. No, it's still very good. So which one you should choose? If you are a pro carpenter and you do need drill a lot of small holes in the concrete and the brick frequently, you're gonna better choose this set. It's heavy duty. The battery can last longer time, especially your drill. You're using a hammer drill. It consumes lots of power. These two sets is for you. For average homeowners, DIYers, you just work at home or you're not going to work a full day, I think this set is for you. It's cheaper, it's lighter, and it's got almost the same power as these bigger sites. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.